Hi guys, a blessed good day to you all. Welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to make my go-to oven baked chicken wing recipe. Let's get into it. Let's begin by looking at our ingredients. Here I have some chicken wings already washed and prepped, and I'll be using my fresh green seasoning, some chicken bouillon, sazon, black pepper, seasoned salt, complete, garlic and onion powder. Now for the condiments, I'll be using mustard, ketchup, barbecue sauce, and some Chinese sauce. If you can't find Chinese sauce, you can substitute with hoisin sauce. Either one would be just fine. Then you want to go ahead and combine all of your seasonings. Once it is well combined, you want to add it to the chicken wings, as well as 2 tablespoons of fresh green seasoning. I will leave the link to the green seasoning recipe down in my description box for those that are interested. Then you want to add your condiments. I will also leave the measurements for those down in the description box. And once all your ingredients are added to the chicken, you want to get in there and massage it and make sure that those wings are well coated and marinated with the ingredients. You will allow it to sit and marinate for about 2 hours, or you can let it go overnight if you have the time. This is literally my go-to chicken recipe. You can also do it with regular chicken pieces as well. And I know that I almost always have all the ingredients in my kitchen. It is quick, easy, and simple to whip up. Next, you want to place your chicken wings inside of a baking dish. Once all of them are added, you want to go over them with the remaining sauce that's left inside of the bowl. You want to take a brush and just evenly coat them, because just the way you place them into the oven, that's how they will look once they're done. So you want to make them look, appetizing and pretty. So make sure you brush it evenly with the brush. Once we're done, we will cover this and place it in a 400-degree oven for about 1 hour. After an hour, remove the cover and allow it to brown up for about 10 more minutes. And that's it, guys. It is all done. Quick, easy, and simple, like I said, but it is absolutely amazing. And here you have it, the most delicious chicken wing recipe. Like I said, it is quick, easy, and oh so simple, and absolutely divine. I could not wait to show y'all how the meat was falling off the bone. So I went digging into it right away when it was super hot, and there you see me struggling with the wing to rip it apart because it was hot, burning my hands. But again, give the recipe a try for me and let me know what you guys think. I will leave all the ingredients and the measurements down in my description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.